Okay, we're gonna do this garden. So just kind of show you. Goes out to the street over there. Got bonsai trees and everything like that. So we're gonna go in and check it all out. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, let's see where to start. There's a lot of stuff to explore in here, so I don't even know where to begin. But there is a lake right over there, so let's just kind of head over to the lake a little bit. Yeah, actually every time I come in here I think I do something a little bit different. But now you can see it's kind of cool statue. Little pavilions to the sides, the rock formation stuff. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. Sometimes I come in here and I do a couple videos, and sometimes I just do, you know, a short one. I definitely had some other ones, so I'm going to attach them to the end of this so you can look at them in more detail. But for this particular one, I think I'm going to not spend too much time in it. Usually you can go into these little things, but they have a little guard there, so you can walk into those. And I think today what we're gonna do, so you could go that way, of course. There's all kinds of cool stuff everywhere in here. Yeah, there's also all kinds of little stuff in there. So like all those pink, you can kind of meander in those as well. I guess we're gonna meander in. I wasn't planning to, but I wasn't planning to go this deep in, but I think they just recently painted this pink. So this wasn't pink before, it was different. No feeding or releasing animals. Okay, so we have to just kind of enjoy a little bit. Got all these lily pads. Sometimes I'll see people photograph in here as well. Okay. Get some kind of nice. So it definitely could go that way or this way. This way they have some mahjong in here. Looks like they're doing some mahjong. Got a little pavilion right there. And you can also see the boundaries, right? So there's like a giant wall. There's actually some kind of cool stuff over there, but I think what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to let's see. So today I think I'm going to walk. There's a playground right there. Today I'm going to walk around in a circle, I guess. How'd that happen? Bamboo next to the school. Some kids over there. I'm tempted to go this way, but I will. A little bit nervous that I can't find a good way out. And you can see that the buildings that come right to the side as well. And I think there's actually some kind of just kind of see what this is. I'm not gonna go. Dang it. I guess I will. There's a Portuguese exhibition in here. Hello. Can I bring a camera? It's okay. What do I need to do? Oh, okay. So let's just kind of show what's in here. These are all these little water coloring things. I think we're gonna do. I was trying to say that. Let's bring a camera. Kind of cool because you got the Portuguese with the Chinese all mixed in, right? Okay, cool. Interesting. Let's see what this is. Okay. Azulejo. Okay. I don't want to spend too much time in there because I didn't see anything that said no cameras. And I'm sure they want to support the work as well, so it's not I'm sure it's okay, but I'd rather just keep it short. So it looks like they're doing like Arabic tiles on the walls. That looks kind of cool, speaking of cool stuff on the walls. This is a good spot to end this one.